Hi, my name's Dan Spiller. I am Joico's European, UK and Ireland colour ambassador. For the colour, we're going to be doing a root application, alternating colours onto the mid-length and ends, and working a blending technique at the curvature of the head.
Right, with Jodie's hair, we've segmented it into 4 sections. Very classic. We're going to work our quadrants on each side. We're going to work a root drag going past the curvature of the head, making sure that we create more of a seamless link. And then what we're going to do is work with 2 colours on the mid-lengths, just so there's a little bit of movement within the shape. The idea is to create lots of shine, lots of gloss, and really bring out that natural red tone. We're going to be working with the liquids in the hair today, just to create that dusty, powdery finish. So with each section that I'm taking, I'm doing it at a zigzag, so that will make it so much easier when we come to collect the hair for the mid-length and ends. So this one's going over to the left, the next one will go over to the right, and with each section that I pick up, when I bring it back down, it means that I will be able to just apply it nice and quickly. Right, now we're going to be alternating on the mid-length and ends between the 2 different colours. And the beauty of applying it the way that we have means that I can jump from one side to another. Now I'm going to work with my second colour on the mid-length and ends. And the beauty of applying it the way we have on the roots means that we get a seamless link.